in your mouth, like you have that feeling. Okay, initially when I finished, I couldn't really close my mouth. Like it felt like I was trying to, get bite more thing. I felt like I was trying to, so big object into my mouth, find it difficult to trying to munch it all off, like close it. But that happened just that one time after Moses asked me to close my mouth. So I felt that weird. Outside that, nothing really. No, it's not a painful process, just discomfort, some level of discomfort you get to feel. That was okay. You can see mine is not very because he asked of my favorite color to make it colorful. I'm not really a person of much colors like that, so see. But that of my daughter has this pink, it's really beautiful. Okay, so in case if I have another option, I might not choose white again, and I possibly want to go for color, light pink or light purple, something like that. Just add so, like I said, it's not a painful process. Some level of discomfort to feel. Now, after the first attempt to eat wasn't really easy. Not pain in the sense, but once you eat something, you felt like. Have you ever had the very chew, like seems kind of season the teeth? And it's that kind of crazy sensation in the teeth aspect that I felt. The first time really it's much. I just felt that weirdness more or less tongue to chew instead of the teeth in the chain. Then the tongue do the chewing. So that was really odd, and I just fast forward the second day, and fast forward to the second day, it was much easier to eat compared to the first day, but then it's not much difference like that. So on the second day, I tried to eat swallow. So relatively fair, only that the vegetable wasn't really going to go down well. I had to use my and get it out. Okay. As it being, it's not that painful as people say it is, or the hurting. There's some being pressured here. There's really like these teeth, each of them you feel quite tender, like any sort of touch you feel that pain. And outside that, I don't think there is any other thing. How does it look?